Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can join the live chat in the TalkTalk app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is scroll through your homepage and tap open the TalkTalk app. So once your TalkTalk app gets opened up, you will land on the page where you can find different live chats which you can join. So once you select a chat, you can simply get into it and type whatever you want to talk with the members who have joined the chat as well. So once you are done with your live chat session and you want to join another room, you can just click on the exit option and join any other room as well. So this is how you join live chat on the TalkTalk app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.